Russell 2000, small cap. You heard what I said. We had a big rally. We traded this rally up. Now we've faded. We've come back. We've hit a major support level. Tommy Trader here to power your trading every single day. Join our live trading room. Let's go ahead and power the small cap stocks. We got some major support. They've acted real well all year. So we believe that small cap later in the year will outperform, and that large cap has already ran its course, and small cap can take the lead. So once again, you have to learn how to trade the leading stocks in the small cap index, and we'll be able to do that. We're testing a major support level right here, right now. So once again, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Enjoy the new website, turbooptiontrading.com.